I decided to come to college because I wanted to enhance my music ability and get more of the background of music and what happens behind there. It's a lot technology based and using softwares on the computers, so it's great to get all that information. I've really enjoyed making music and being able to use my songwriting abilities and exploring that in tasks every day. I've just recently made a folk song on the acoustic, and that was really great to explore and have fun doing. I've really enjoyed the whole course and it's just brilliant. I've done sound editing for the back of video games and the back of movies. My favourite part about the whole course has been being able to write songs, really. I've been loving the time that they've given me to really explore my own interests. I think in every part of the course there's something that you slot into with music. The facilities are brilliant. At the music department they've got really nice studios and amazing microphones and recording equipment, whole mixing desks. It's incredible to come and have a look at because this is my first year and it's just beyond me. I'm still learning how to do it all, but it's great, it's great. I think college is going to guide me towards change and growth in this division. I can already see that by the way that I'm more comfortable in myself and writing my music and getting to perform. My main advice for someone starting this course is just to feel comfortable and have a nice time and be able to explore everything about music. It's endless, and I think that this college gives the best opportunity to do that.